Guys, we have been summoned by Mickey Mouse. He has requested that we take a picture with him.
And
I'm coming. I'm coming, Mickey. He's waving. What's going on, y'all? We are here. We are at the parks. Well, the parking garage. But we are going to Disneyland today.
I'm the trick cereal box.
We are Roger and Jessica Rabbit. But yes, if you guys are coming to the parks and you are park hopping, our day begins at DCA. So whichever park you select to begin your day at, you are allowed to switch at 1 p.m. So we are starting at California Adventures. Leo has never been here for Halloween, so he is gonna see Disneyland during spooky season. Show them your tail!
Pluto! It's a little you!
All right, step 1 complete. Starbucks has been obtained.
You know that scene of Roger Rabbit where he takes a shot?
Thanks. I needed that.
WHHHPR!
So since I overslept and I missed our 7 a.m. boarding pass time, to get a boarding pass, you can join at 7 a.m. from anywhere. If you join at 12 p.m., which is the second time, you have to be on Disney property. So I figured that I would join and try to get us a Rise of the Resistance boarding pass. The process is a little different. You used to just click join when you saw the little virtual queue thing on the app. Now you have to confirm your party and you just refresh that page until the time pops up and then you get your boarding pass. But we got one. We don't board for like another 200 minutes, but we got one for Rise of the Resistance. Guys, we were passing through Cars Land.
It felt cute.
And we came into one of the shops and look what they have. Doc has an ofrenda. What is it time for?
Ariel's Grotto!
For some reason, he has been waiting to ride the Little Mermaid.
It is hot. I need AC.
His one request today. This is the first time I think I've ever waited in an actual line to get on Ariel's Grotto.
Right. That's because of AC. Everyone wants it right now.
You flattened your tail while you were sitting.
This villain is called Mr. T.
Where's my super suit?
All right, it is 1 p.m., which means we can officially park hop. So, bye, thank you.
You too.
So it is time to head over to Disneyland side. I can already see the line. I can already see it, but that's okay. I need another air-conditioned ride. Look at them. They're so cute. I want them for the house. Spooky season,
You can
Main
smell it.
Street.
You know you guys are watching this video and you can smell this.
Oh, my ankle in these tracks. All right, so of course the first place we have to go in Disneyland is Toontown because we are tuned. But Toontown look a little crazy right now. Y'all know, if you've seen it, you know about the building that's not there. Look at this, just construction everywhere. Construction wall, construction wall, construction wall. Welcome to Construction Town, aka Toontown. A tune! Guys, we have been summoned by Mickey Mouse. He has requested that we take a picture with him.
And
I'm coming. I'm coming, Mickey. He's waving.
Yep, after these guys, you're gonna meet
Mickey! You look so handsome.
I want to show you someone. It's a little you.
So tiny. Oh, you're so handsome. We love you.
We love you.
Have fun today. Bye. We have been chosen. I love getting these. It makes me feel important. It tells them how long the wait time is. So how long it takes for me to get to the front. Alright, Haunted Mansion Holiday. You have never done this version of Haunted Mansion.
Nope.
Alright, well I'm excited to see your opinion when you get off.
Is it different from holidays?
Have you done it during Christmas?
Yes.
Oh, well, never mind. Okay, so what did you think of the Haunted Mansion that you've been on before?
So I thought it was completely something that.
Oh, look who it is! You look so good! Oh, love him! If you guys are not following Francis, you probably are. If you are not following Francis, go follow him. But yes, Haunted Mansion that you've been on before. Yes.
So I thought it would be something completely different compared to like Christmas and Halloween, but I like it. Love it nonetheless.
Look at him making up stuff. He knew he'd been on it. He's trying to spare my feelings.
They're smaller versions of you guys. They're little voodoo dolls. I'll take care of them. Come on, present. I'll take care of them. Bye-bye.
Oh, thank you. It is time for Rise of the Resistance. Our boarding group is called. Let's go.
Allies of the Resistance, this transport is now under the command of the First Order. Disembark and proceed to interrogation. Move along.
The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
Alright guys, leave the rest of you guys. Let's go guys, go find your color.
You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Recruits, thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo!
What did we just get? Let me see.
It looks like milk with chamoy and tahini.
What is it called? The green milk Tadorian? Tadoria?
Swirl Tadoria.
The
We'll
Toy
put it
Story
right
swirl. So this is the green. I've never had the green or the blue milk, and we asked her which one the best one was to get, and she said the green milk Toydaria swirl. I don't know if I believe her. Let's see.
I don't hate it. It's actually not bad.
Yeah. Why is it spicy?
Wow. It's the first taste. It has like a weird tingle.
I I don't.
I don't hate it. I don't love it.
But I don't know if I like it. The texture is that of.
Chamoy and
It's
tajin.
a little chunky, but it kind of tastes like
chunky.
It kind of tastes like Skittles.
Like spicy Skittles.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I think I would. I think I would like just the regular green milk though.
Yeah.
It's the texture.
It's chunky. I don't know if it's because it's blended ice.
She's chunky. All right, we had the green milk. Now it's time for a drink of my choice. Well, not my choice. It's been recommended to me that I try this. All right, so this drink is a fan favorite. Is a fan favorite of a friend, and she always recommends the Black Calf Cold Brew, no ice. So let's see.
Wow.
Okay, so it's a cold brew coffee. Wow. I love that. Oh, I'm about to be awake. It's a cold brew coffee with a cream cheese cold foam. Sweet. So good. And then like little cocoa puffs. A little
really
cocoa
good.
puff.
Really good.
This is so good. Shout out to Kristen, the happiest club on earth. She recommends this drink. She swears by it. It's all over her Instagram. I'll put it down below. We love it.
Happy Halloween, everyone! Yeah. Welcome! It's time to celebrate the season of tricks and treats. We'll call out the spirits to socialize. After all, my friends, this is Halloween.
All right, you guys, that is it. That is Halloween time at Disneyland.
I loved
Oh, I'm so sleepy. I need a nap or a cookie.
it.
But thank you. Oop. Thank you guys so much for checking out another video. If you guys are new to the channel, a lot of you are. We got a lot of new subscribers
Welcome to the family.
in the last few weeks. Make sure you subscribe, swipe up. Why do I always say swipe up? There's nowhere to swipe up in a YouTube video. There's not a single place. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Check out our link trees below. We have all of our links in our bio. We have a P.O. box as
Ooh,
well.
this coffee stain.
I have not stopped thinking about that coffee all day. That was my favorite thing we've ever had. But thank you guys so much. That's a wrap. Never a dull day. Oh, look at that. How cute. Happy Halloween. Ah!